How to block apps on Google Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you through how to block apps on Google Play Store. So let's get started. First of all, launch Google Play Store on your device. And make sure that you logged into your account. Head towards profile icon at top right. And now navigate to settings. From among the options, choose Family and tap on the drop-down menu. Tap Parental Controls. Now tap on the button next to Parental Controls and make sure that you turn on the button. Type the PIN. Now tap on OK button. Confirm your PIN. Now tap on OK button and toggle the button on for Parental Controls. After that, you need to set content restrictions. Tap on Apps and Games and enter your content PIN. Tap on OK button and here you can easily allow up to any age. You can easily restrict purchases or downloads from Google Play. Apps and games already installed will still be visible on devices. After that, you need to tap on the Save button. After that, this will block apps on Android devices and needs parental control permissions. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.